back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
All right, lights are out. We are going green next time by at a turn 4. Marty Bates on the inside of row 1. Rick Bills on the outside. We're going racing at a turn 4. Green flag. Marty Bates going to jump out to that early lead. Rick Bill's going to be in that 2 spot. Looks like Rick's got a good run out of turn 2. Marty's going to hold him off going into turn 3. Coming to lap number 1, Marty Bates. 0.7 of a second lead there. 0.790 is the gap between Marty and Rick. Dagan 1.3 seconds behind Rick. Marty Bates growing that lead to a 1.4 second lead. That is the gap between first and second. So it looks like Rick Bills may be holding about the same gap. Marty's got a 1.4 second lead. Looks like we're going to be coming to halfway this time by. All right, Marty stretching out to a 1.8 second lead now. We're on lap 4 of 6. Marty Bates looking strong out there, getting the white flag. He's got a 2.3 second lead, 2.3 second lead for the 23 machine of Marty Bates. Rick Bills holding on to that strong second place. And Marty Bates in the 23 going to take heat race number 1 here in the 4-cylinder division at Mountain Motor Speedway. They'll be exiting out of turn 1 here in just a minute when they get back around, and we're going to roll out heat race number 2. In heat race number 2, we'll have Caleb Maggard on the pole in the 28 machine. All right, lights are off. We're going green out of turn 4. Caleb Cottle, Caleb Maggard bringing them to the green flag. Here we go. So Maggard's going to get the early jump out to the lead. Caleb Cottle going to fall back to that 2 spot. William Hurt close by in that 8.6 in the 3rd spot. Here we go. 0.6 of a second is the gap between first and second, ladies and gentlemen. Caleb Maggard out there in the front of that yellow 28 machine, holding a good steady pace. Colby Bush in that 3L is in the 2nd spot. Caleb Maggard in that 28 machine bringing them around to halfway. We are 3 down, 3 to go. 3 down, 3 to go. The gap is 1.5 seconds for Caleb Maggard out there in that first position. Caleb Cottle in that 28, still your leader. Followed by Colby Bush, William Hurt, and Caleb Cottle. It looks like Tiny has the white flag out there in the stand. Caleb Magger getting the white flag. 1 lap to go, 1 lap to go. Coming out of turn 4 in the 28 machine, he lit from green to checker. Caleb Magger gonna take the win in heat race number 2 for these 4 cylinders. So we got Caleb Creech out there on the pole, Jason Hall to his outside on row number 1. Connor McKenzie in that number 33 on the inside of row 2. Gary Brent Sloan on the outside of row 2. And Kyle Klein in the 002 rounding out the field. Here we go, green flag at a turn 4. So Connor McKenzie now going to jump up to that 2 spot. Jason Hall going to fall back to the 3. Connor trying to battle Caleb up there for that lead. He's going to the inside, coming out of 4. Connor's going to hold him off. We got a good battle for the lead up there in the front. Oh, looks like Caleb gets down on the inside of the middle of 1 and 2. And it's going to turn him around, going to bring out the first caution of the race. Caleb Creech out there in that 66 machine. Going to come out of 4 and bring him to the green flag. Let's see what happens, guys. Green flag, here we go. Looks like Jason Hall trying to make a run back for that 2nd spot, but it looks like he got a little bit tight. 83 of Brent Sloan going to maintain that 2nd spot. Caleb Creech still holding on to that lead. He had a 0.3 of a second gap the last time by. This time he's pulled it out to 0.9 of a second. Gary Brent Sloan still holding on to that 2nd spot. Jason Hall still holding on to that 3rd spot. Kyle Klein in that 4th and final spot. 3 down, 6 to go. 3 down, 6 to go. We are halfway, ladies and gentlemen. Halfway to go. Caleb Creech still maintaining that lead. Looks like the battle on the tracks between Brent Sloan and Jason Hall and that 83 and the 911 machines. Caleb Creech pulled out to a 1.5 second lead over Brent Sloan and that 83 machine. White flag, 1 lap to go for Caleb Creech. It's looking like if he don't make any mistakes or have any problems, he's going to take the win. Can Jason Hall make a charge here and take over that 2nd spot? It looks like Brent Sloan holding a good line through the corner. Corner speed is king in dirt oval racing. Caleb Creech is going to take that win. Brent Sloan and the 83 machine going to finish in the 2 spot. And Jason Hall going to round out your top 3 in the 911 machine. Kyle Klein in that 002 rounding out your field in the 4th and final spot.